In this video, I'll show you how to change X settings to see sensitive content on iPhone and walk you through every step so you can make sure you're able to view all posts and media without any filters or restrictions. First, start by opening the X app on your iPhone, which you might still know by its previous name, Twitter. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open your main account menu where you can access all of your profile and account settings. After opening the menu, scroll down through the options until you see Settings and Support, then tap on it. From there, choose Settings and Privacy to access all the detailed options that control your account, privacy, and content preferences. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down slightly and select Privacy and Safety. This section contains all the controls for what content you see, who can interact with you, and how your account is managed. Within Privacy and Safety, locate the option labeled Content You See and tap on it. On this page, there are two important settings you need to change in order to view sensitive content. The first setting is Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Make sure to toggle this option on so that images, videos, and posts marked as sensitive will now appear in your feed. This ensures that nothing is hidden from your timeline simply because it's been flagged by X. The second setting is located just below, under Search Settings. Tap on it and then make sure to turn off Hide Sensitive Content. By turning this off, all sensitive posts will appear in your search results as well, so you won't miss anything when looking up content or hashtags. Once you've adjusted both of these settings, your account will now show sensitive content across the app, both in your main feed and when performing searches. Following these steps carefully ensures that your iPhone X app is fully set up to display sensitive content without any filters.